So I recently bought the Ronin 4D, and I wanted to dive into the monitor itself and go over a few different options regarding this. First off, let's go over the battery options for the High-Bright monitor. The first one is the battery that it does come with. It works great. I think it lasts about 2.5 hours fully on. The second one, it does come with a carrying case for the Sony NPF batteries. So instead of this battery, this goes into the same slot. And the third option, you can buy a V-mount conversion to also install into the monitor. So those are the three battery options that I'm currently working with. I pretty much use the V-mount specific one. We're going to go over the remote control options now. There's two different ones that I know about. So the first one is the camera control remotes that you can actually use on the main body as well, but they simply just go into the slots here on the side, lock in place, and when you do this, it'll tell you that they're connected and locked in. So there we go, and then you can adjust the different ergonomics, and you can start controlling focus. That's option one. The second option is the DJI Focus wheel. So I had to purchase this piece separately, and it has this little connector in the middle here. And when you're looking at this, you're like, oh, where's the connector? Well, when you take the cage off, it's actually on the bottom. So let's go ahead and turn this off and disconnect the cage. So now you have the monitor without the cage. So the next thing you need to do is grab your focus wheel and attach it on the bottom like so. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, so to turn the focus wheel on after it's attached, you just hold down the record button. And it pops up with this screen here that basically gives you the instructions on how to use the focus wheel. And then down here you can see it says Ronin 4D. So next. All right, so now we can control the focus. So I'm gonna also add A/B points. So let's go to position A, which is the focus on the wall here. Mark A by just pressing it once. And then let's go down to our mark B, which, let's just do that. And so now it has resistance, and I can't go past that mark. So very quick focusing. To change the resistance, there is a button back here. So you can just hold it down, and when you scroll through it, it'll actually tell you the resistance of the device. So I have it set at 98 right now, which is pretty high. Let's go down to like 50. Yeah, that's much better. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show. This setup is pretty cool, mounted on a tripod or something. And I think it'd be pretty good for the ergonomics and the first ACs and everything. Also, to clear it, you can just press the A/B button one more time. And now it's cleared, and you have the full range of motion after you confirm it. There we go. And then the last thing is, if you do want to enable autofocus, you can just press the M button, and that'll turn on autofocus. And then do that for off again. So, all right, thanks everybody.